Well, g'day there. There's a lightning storm just happening nearby. It's not going to hit me. I'm not close enough to it. Have a look at these bands. Look what they're doing. You could hear it miles before it came. So that's a 160 metre band. Certainly creating some impact to the band. Let's go up to 80 metres and see what's happening there. Yeah, it's got good strength there, hasn't it? Up to 20 plus. All right, we'll try 40 metres. Doing just as well on 40 metres. See what's happening on 30 metres. Still doing quite well there, isn't it? Let's try 20 metres. What's it going to do on 20 metres, the lightning? That's not bad. 17 metres. Where's the lightning? It stopped. Haven't had one. A little bit. There we go. A little bit of there. There we go. 21 megahertz, 15 metres. What's that going to do? It's pretty severe. 12 metres now. Let's see what that does. There we go. Jump across to 10 metres. There we go. I wonder what 6 metres is doing as well. So I've just jumped onto the 6 metre antenna. Let's see, is it going to crackle and pop? There we go, not quite as bad. Maybe the lightning wasn't as close, but yeah, certainly affecting all the HF and VHF bands. Now I'm just going to go to 2 metres. Now I know this is not a sideband frequency, but just for listening, I've just put it on to upper sideband. See if we can hear any crackles and pops there. It's still cracking and popping on 80 metres. Not as much on 2 metres. I tried 70 centimetres. See what that does. Not as much there neither. So as you can see, it is absolutely pelting down now. A lot of lightning and thunder. My antennas are okay. Nothing's pushed over, so all good. This is what it's like outside. Huge storm coming. Hear that thunder? Well, hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you have, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.